Hey y'all, this is Angie. Today I'm going to be making a bacon grilled cheese and tomato soup. We got some tomato soup. We got cheese, sliced cheese, and that's the Kraft cheese. We got some country crock spread and some bread. I'm sure you can figure out what I'm going to make today. It's something simple and easy. We'll go ahead and pour our tomato soup in here. And we're going to get a little water and put inside the can to get the rest of that juice out. We'll go ahead and mix the water in there to get the rest of the... You want to get all that soup out of the can. You don't want to waste any of it. And pour the rest of it in there. And I guess we'll turn it to a low. I think that's low. I've never tried this brand of tomato soup. We got it from the food bank, and I'm gonna warm it up and taste it and see if it needs anything. So I'm going to go ahead and get my cheese sandwiches ready, and I think I'm going to put them on the George Foreman grill today. I got it set up over here. This George Foreman grill is also a panini press sandwich maker. As you can see, I put a generous amount of butter on the bread. Oh, our soup's boiling up over here. Ooh, turn it down just a bit. I got me a little soup out to try. It's very hot right now, so I may have to wait just a minute. This is not only going to be a grilled cheese sandwich, I got some bacon in there. I had it cooking for a while, and I'm thinking about having a grilled bacon cheese. Now look how nice this bacon looks. That's going to be good for a bacon grilled cheese sandwich. So now I'm flipping over the bacon, and I'm going to put it back in the oven a few minutes, and it'll be nice and crispy. So I pop that bacon back in the oven and let it cook, and soup's still real hot. And oh, I need to try this soup out. It should be cool by now. Okay, I'm trying this out. it's not too salty, or it's kind of a sweet flavor, and I think I like it. Maybe I don't need to add anything else to it. So now I just got the soup covered up, waiting on the bacon, and then I'll be doing the sandwiches. And now that's how you want your bacon done, real nice and crispy. Okay, I'm taking the bacon out of the pan and putting it on a paper towel. Okay, I just plugged the grill up, and we're going to wait for the light to turn green, and we're going to throw these buttered pieces of bread onto the grill. I got my sandwiches on the grill and buttered side down, of course. I got one piece of cheese, and I got bacon. Then I'm going to put another piece of cheese on there. Alright, and then we're going to put our other piece of bread. Make sure the butter's side up toward the grill. And here we go. We're going to shut this grill. And we'll let it cook a couple minutes. Okay, it's almost been 2 minutes. And I unplugged it. And we're going to let them hang in there for another minute on that heat. We want that cheese real nice and bubbly and melted. Okay, let's lift the lid and see what they look like after another minute sitting on the grill. Whoa, yeah, we got some cheese bubbling out everywhere. But that's okay. They look good to me. Let's get them off the grill. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut the sandwiches up. I got one cut up. I'm using a pizza cutter. You can use a knife or whatever you need to use to cut your sandwich. Or you don't even have to cut your sandwich. So the sandwiches are cut in half, and I'm going to wrap them up, and we'll eat them here in a little while. I'm so glad you could join me today, and it's such a quick and easy meal to make, and the cleanup's a breeze too. Y'all have a wonderful day, and we'll see you later.